everybody. Hello everybody. So today we're going to go to Walmart to go find some fidget toys. Is that right? And then
we're fidget toy adventure.
Yeah, and then we're gonna go to the car wash.
I think we're going to the car wash first.
So this is my first vlog actually. So we'll see you guys when we get to the car wash.
Hold on.
What?
Look, they're talking. We'll never get back when they're talking.
Hey, okay.
They're talking to each other.
Yeah. Alright, bye. Well, apparently we're not going to the car wash anymore, so...
Wait, or are we? Oh, there's somebody.
Oh, wait, maybe we are. We're going.
Never mind.
Nobody here. All right. There's usually a line out the...
Do you have to wash it, or does it wash by itself?
The machine washes that. Here we go.
Is it even open?
All right, here we go. Yep.
Let's go.
Just have to wait for this fella to get done here.
Maybe I should change my... Hold on, never mind.
Get all that. All right. Were you videotaping that whole conversation?
No, I paused it.
Okay.
Not gonna record that.
Please insert your
Privacy.
credit. Please select your wash package.
Super wash.
Please take your receipt.
Okay.
That lady is a lawyer.
The wash is currently busy.
What's
Please
going
wait.
on with her?
She says she's annoying.
She's extremely annoying.
I
What have I got for Christmas from Donna, Lynn? That's funny, our Christmas presents are here.
When
I
you start
know.
the wash, make sure windows are up, drive slowly, and follow the
Windows
instruction
down.
sign.
Oh, he's getting dry.
Yeah.
Who would leave their windows now?
I don't know.
Oh, never mind, he's getting sprayed now.
Your package includes the underbody spray. It will turn on as you enter the wash. Drive slowly.
Alright, I'm gonna pause the video and I'll unpause it right when we're getting in. Hello.
We're going in.
Yay.
Finally, that guy took forever.
I know.
Ah! It's dark.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now let's record this car wash. Nothing's happening. Lane car wash. Okay, here we go.
Yeah.
I'm getting it.
Oh,
Cool. This is soap, I think.
yeah.
Look at it go.
Smells good.
How can you smell it through the windows? Lemon.
Because the car pulls air in from the outside and circulates it.
Oh!
Like, that's why you can smell roadkill when you drive by it.
Smell it. Smells like lemons. Yay, they're adding more.
I love lemons.
Yeah.
Yum, yum.
Uh-huh.
You have a super duper amount of soap on this car
I know.
So dark!
They're like, just keep doing it.
Smells good though. Okay, add some water, people. This will be posted on YouTube, right?
Yes.
Never. No card. Oh my god! Ethan's scared of the car wash. Never mind about that. Never mind, YouTubers.
Yeah.
No, well, let's just drive out. So great. Look at the film that's filming. That's loud.
Yeah.
Let's go ahead.
Mm.
Here.
Yeah. So, yeah.
That's the car wash. Noisy car wash.
It's very noisy.
Barely ever.
Yeah.
I barely hear myself think. That's it. Out we go. The
Okay.
window doesn't look too dry, but we're going to leave it at that.
Doesn't matter.
It matters, so we have paid for the drying. And I'm surprised the car wash wasn't that busy today.
Looks like it's gonna rain.
Oh, maybe that's why it wasn't that busy. These people are like, we're just going to do it ourselves.
All right. We'll see
right,
when we
that was
get.
that.
We'll see when we get to Walmart. Okay, so we're here. So, yeah.
Well, we're in the parking lot. We're not in the store yet, though.
Yeah.
Get your mask on.
Oh man. Okay. All right. So, yeah.
Yeah, look at her. I'm on the road.
She walks.
She shakes her butt too much. There she is now. I know. I'm aware. It's telling me that someone's coming down the side there. In a car, or that old lady thought I was pulling out. Sorry, old lady. You still recording, Lynn?
Yes.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Alright, we're going.
It's okay. No one will watch
Okay,
this.
masks
We're
on.
going. Well, YouTubers probably will.
Nobody's watching us. Why are we making it? Right, let's go, lady.
For fun. For fun.
Entertainment. Funness. Just for entertainment.
Yeah.
That's why we're making it.
It's all about entertainment.
Yeah.
I know. Alright, we're going in the store.
Okay, let's
Let's go.
Now, we need to pay attention, walk through the parking lot though, so we don't get run over.
All right, I'm gonna. Yeah, we're in the store. So.
It's busy here.
Uh huh.
I hope we don't get caught.
I know.
Let's go.
Okay, let's go.
A lot of stuff here.
10 minutes into the video, then we're finally in the store.
We're just looking, right? We're looking
Yeah.
for fun fidgets. Are we gonna buy the fidgets?
I don't know. We'll see.
Well, if we don't, we'll still have a fidget adventure.
Yeah.
Fun fidget adventure. It's crowded here. It's always crowded in the store.
Huh?
Make sure no one sees your phone.
Okay.
Hide it.
Yeah.
Kind of slow, no offense. All because of your walking problem.
Yeah.
Mom's right there. Yes. Alright, we're going.
Sorry, I'm sorry.
Okay, I'm just looking.
Me too. Alright, where do you think you should go?
Where do you know the fidgets?
Yes, you're the expert.
I don't
Where
know,
these
in like the
fidget-
toy aisle.
Okay, the toy aisle. Yeah, this is like the toy aisle. Oh,
Yeah.
focus! Focus, Missy. Come on, let's go.
Yeah.
Expert Libby. I used to have a smaller bike.
You did?
Yeah. I gave it away though.
Mascot, how are you?
Who is that? Okay, we're looking everywhere. I don't see
Let's go down here.
Let's look.
Look at this. Yep. Yeah.
Get it? Yeah, this one. Smart. This is good.
Top first one.
This would be a good one, Libby.
Yeah. What do you mean?
Yes.
Oh. What do you got?
It's a puzzle. My brothers have this puzzle.
Oh, they do?
Yeah, that came with this egg.
Cool.
But the egg's a little more grayish color. This is like a purpley.
Yeah.
These are cool.
Yeah.
Alright, come on. I've always been wondering why they put music in the store.
Yeah.
Games. Sushi go. Call
Attention associates, I need an associate from hardware, automotive, toys, electronics, HBA, pharmacy, cosmetics, and groceries. Customer service, this is time for return. Hardware, automotive, toys, electronics, HBA, pharmacy, cosmetics, and groceries. Customer service, this time for return. Thank you.
I thought they were telling us to stop recording.
Yeah, two girls and toys, knock off.
Did they tell us to stop recording?
No. Since it said toy, I was like, oh crap.
Come on, let's go. Did you stop recording it?
No.
Okay, let's go.
I'm gonna go down this one. I think this is where you want to go.
Okay,
Really?
Well, yeah, all those bins are there, right? Is that what you're using?
School bus.
Right?
Hmm.
I'm sorry, I was trying to see the other one. I'm out of here. Yeah, this is what you got, right?
Oh.
Kinda.
Where?
Wow.
Well, someone stole one.
Oh no,
Someone stole this.
that's terrible.
There's nothing in it.
What's this here? Look at this stuff.
Peel off the mask.
It's like fluff.
Wow.
Fluffy clouds. Someone stole a ball here, people.
I think. Can we get this?
What is that?
It's you squeeze it,
And just like a thing.
and then it like changes colors.
It changes colors.
It says.
Hmm.
Nido, Ruby, the Glob.
That's a lot of slime.
That's not
Does that
so.
we need one too?
Someone stole it, so
Do you want one too, Zoe?
There's only one left.
There's a whole bunch down there.
Oh, there is?
Yes.
Alright.
Need something for your brothers? Like these?
What is that? Like a squishy dinosaur?
Yeah, feel that. There's a squishy dinosaur, there's a squishy stegosaurus. There's a squishy lizard. There's a turtle, there's a rat. You think they'd like one of these, Zoe?
They like dinosaurs.
So what if we got them a stegosaurus and a T-Rex?
Yeah.
Are they gonna fight over which one's which? What's this?
Oh, look, it's Flarp.
Here.
What is that?
It's called a boopy pet.
Mega
let me see
Flarp
this.
noise putty.
Yeah.
Look at this.
Ow.
Ooh, cool.
To make a balloon.
Can we get this?
No.
Okay.
How about an alligator? Do you think one of them would like an alligator? I don't know, this T-Rex kind of looks not scary.
Yeah.
Maybe can we trade when we get one?
Yeah.
Can you trade? Oh, here's a shark. How about a shark and an alligator? Who would like which one?
Okay.
Which brother would like what?
Well,
Here's a shark and an alligator. He goes with-
See.
Zach would like this.
Okay, and then you think Ethan likes the alligator? Yeah. Okay. Well, what are you guys trading for?
What is
Did
this?
you not find the right color?
We're
They're
trading
both
the
pink.
balls.
Oh, you're gonna trade
They're
when you
the,
get home?
they're the same.
Marbles.
What do you do with that?
Actually play a game. There's actually a game called Marbles. You can like knock it out of the circle.
Hey, we can buy these for your thing.
Yeah, you can buy those. Oh, wait, chips.
Okay, let's see.
These are sensory kind of things.
A lot of slime over
Sure.
there.
Alright, let's
This
keep
is
looking.
fun.
It is. We found the fidgets.
Even though people aren't going to enjoy this.
They will, I'm sure. Don't be doubtful. Now let's explore some more.
Okay.
Hi, people.
Hi.
Look at all these Legos and stuff. All kinds of garbage. Boy garbage. Yeah, lots of Star Wars and
Yeah, let's get back
Jurassic
here.
Park. Lots of boy junk.
Where no one's around.
Yay, this is a toy aisle, I think. Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Lot of
Okay.
dolls, lot of dolls. Creeping upstairs. Focus. Focus. Stop it. Focus.
What?
Focus.
What?
Okay.
What the heck is this?
Hey, look. Come here. Film this.
Hold on. Hold on. Whatever.
Crappy cocomelon.
Da, 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 da.
Look, it's crappy cocomelon here. Shoot.
You need these for the pool. Teach you how to dive down to the bottom.
Ooh.
You sink to the
Oh,
bottom.
yeah, like diving toys.
Mm-hmm.
Like,
Teach you guys how to go under.
I need goggles for that.
Yeah, we all know time for the other beach, so what's this stuff? Fantastic foam.
Try me, whatever this thing is. Bug, this is Bugs
Bugs
Bunny.
Bunny.
Let's pop,
This is Bugs Bunny.
let's pop any new bubbles at his house.
Shiny. Oh.
Just to feel how squishy it is. Now there's a finger mark for you there.
Yeah.
Look at this. Put it around your neck and it blows air on you.
Oh.
That's stupid.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, doesn't your brother want one of these? Gonna learn to snorkel? I want one of these. I just want to lay.
We should get one from them.
Well, I think maybe your mom and dad will probably have different ideas on what they want to get for him. You might want to get him a better one. Did you see this?
Oh, like you
Oh
can.
my gosh, we should get these for him for his birthday.
What are they? Cookie cutters?
Pancakes and eggs. These are breakfast molds. You can put your pancake batter in there. Oh, I'm not the only one who did that. That's all. Let's look down. Go down this aisle here, Libby, where the Mr. Potato.
What aisle?
Okay.
These?
Yeah. There you go.
Why here? The big aisle where no one's rooming.
Yeah.
All there is toys. No. Okay.
Have you seen my dog Blue?
Oh my gosh.
Let's begin with the fun.
It's dancing. Kick its head off. I think she did. Boring.
Yeah.
All it says is that same word. Thanks. Come on, let's get this.
That's fine. Let's have a book.
Well, good for you.
So what are we looking for exactly? Do we still have any?
We're still trying to look for fidget toys. That's the point.
They
Was.
possibly be with school supplies and stuff like that.
Yeah,
You
maybe.
think? All right. Let's try that one. Okay.
I don't think they could be in the toy aisle, like, since they're.
Why don't you pause till we get them?
Okay.
She didn't
All
want
right.
to film about underwear
Hey,
over here, so. What? You didn't. I'm not gonna.
Okay.
It's not that. Okay, we're searching for something.
See if there's any funny T-shirts for your dad while we're here.
Put the camera more up so we can
Hold
see
on.
everything.
Hold on.
What is it? Hello.
Hello.
Mine's
I'm always trying to put the camera down right here so people don't know what we're doing.
Right.
You know, like I'm always like, ugh. Yeah. So,
gonna trade you this
squeeze
one.
me, squish me, touch me, pinch me. Weird.
I'm gonna trade you this one.
Aren't they the same thing?
What, honey?
Yeah, but.
Yeah, they are the same thing. Why are you trading? You know.
I don't know.
Weirdos.
This is cute.
Mario.
I love someone with autism. Well, that's a good thing.
If you watch this girl's TikToks, then that's good because
Yeah.
they're good TikToks.
Uh-huh. So,
Look, you brought a spear dog.
Mom, look at this.
Ew.
Kids at school have this.
Oh yeah?
Uh-huh.
Look.
Oh.
I know it's supposed to do
You
that.
think your dad would wear this? Look.
So,
You think your dad would wear this?
no.
Oops. It's like expensive.
I know. Hey, don't try to get it out of there. I'm just.
Alright, let's move on.
Alright.
Stuck.
Yeah, you are their stuff. Alright. Come on, guys.
Come on, move it.
No. We're going that way. Here.
Yep. Where are we going?
Bless you.
You cried. Oh,
Excuse me.
I
Don't
can't help
record any of
it.
that either.
Why can't you just hold it back?
The head will blow up.
Baby, don't record anything over there.
Hmm.
No!
That's a big draw.
Ah.
You just recorded bras. Livy! She recorded bras.
Nuts.
You're not.
Yeah, that's fine. Come on.
Okay, we're going. Keep recording. You're recording yourself.
Yeah, I'm not trying to record anything.
Say that around the workers.
Ah, here's some pinata.
Pinata.
Super cute. There's nothing in pinatas.
Oh my gosh.
What?
Sing pug.
How cute that is.
Alright, guys. I think I'm done recording. So thank you guys so much for watching and goodbye.
Bye.